Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I am going to be removing this contact paper from my bathroom countertop. As you can see, I spilled a candle and my husband and I was trying to get the wax up. So I told him, let me just go ahead and remove this contact paper because I was going to remove it anyway. But this is just as good a time as any. So welcome to my channel. This is a lifestyle channel where I share different things about life, budgeting, home projects, all kind of stuff. So yeah, so in today's video I'll be sharing with you the pros and cons of using contact paper on your countertops or wherever you want to use it in your home. I applied this contact paper 3 years ago. Yes, 3 years ago, and as you can see, it still looks pretty good, other than, you know, just a little normal wear and tear. I will say, compared to, as I was saying earlier, I will say compared to other projects where I've used the contact paper and had them on for, you know, a less amount of time than 3 years, it is harder to remove. As you can see, I'm having to pull and pull. The longer it stays on, the harder it is to remove, but there is a benefit to it being on longer, and I'll tell you that later in the video. And the benefit is this: it did not leave the sticky residue like it did in my kitchen. I had contact paper on my kitchen counter about 6 months, and I had sticky residue. And I had to use this Goo Gone adhesive remover. I'll have a playlist of all my projects where I use contact papers, and that way you can go in and see the pros and cons. But I will list the pros and cons in my in a pinned comment down below, because there's a lot of pros and cons that I feel are relevant, because I've been using contact paper for, as you can see, the last 3 years. So yeah. So thank you for joining me on this video, and this is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm going to always help you save in some type of way.